The last time it happened, New Delhi called off talks with Pakistan. But on a day the BJP is busy battling its ally, Islamabad has jumped in to make a point. The Modi government is facing a twin test tonight. Not only will it be tested on whether it can rein in Modi or quit, but also on whether it can act tough on Pakistan for engaging with separatists once again.
The backlash from this meeting should have woken up Islamabad. After all, the defiance in meeting the separatists had cost them the talks and a peace process that seemed to be on track.
The position of the present BJP-led government is very clear, and there is going to be no change in that position, come what may. And I think it will be wrong to conclude that anybody else can actually set an agenda for the Indian side to negotiate with Pakistan.
And on the day this man, charged with murders and sedition, is freed by the Mufti government, Pakistan is up and active again, engaging separatists.
मुलाकात में बातें होती हैं. बुनियादी बात ये है कि भाई भारत के सेक्रेटरी खारजा वहाँ गए थे, पाकिस्तान के सेक्रेटरी खारजा के साथ उनकी बात हुई है. तो हमारे नज़दीक तो बातचीत का मतलब ये होना चाहिए कि भाई मसले कश्मीर के बारे में कोई हल तलाश किया जाए.
Masarrat Alam, it's widely believed in Kashmir, is the man who's slated to replace Gilani, and the traitor went straight to India's enemy.
जितने भी अलगाववादी नेता हैं, मुफ्ती साहब ने जो स्टेटमेंट दिया उसको सुनकर के इनमें बड़ा उत्साह पैदा हो गया है कि अभी कश्मीर में फिर से हंगामा हम लोग कर सकते हैं और पाकिस्तान का मुद्दा जो है एट नेशनल लेवल पे या इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे उठा सकते हैं. इसलिए उन्होंने ये इनसे पाकिस्तान के जो हाई कमिश्नर हैं उनसे मिलने की कोशिश की है.
6 months ago, just before the foreign secretaries were to meet, Pakistan's envoy derailed the talks by meeting separatists. But with the BJP's own ally in the state backing the separatists and arming Pakistan,
we sincerely believe that reconciliation and peace efforts are part of the agenda of the alliance between the PDP and the BJP, and that should be implemented in letter and spirit, and state government is allowed to take such decisions.
will the centre take a similar tough stand now, or have things changed for the BJP? Bureau Report, Times Now.